Darren Wilcox, who's a British Christian researcher. Darren Wilcox.
British?
Researcher, he's Christian. Is it not idolatry to bow down to a stone object, for example, a statue or shrine, or the Kabah in Mecca?
To bow down to a statue is idolatry. But to bow down in the direction of Kabah from all over the world, from all directions, is not idolatry, because this is done only to teach the Muslims that they must have their faces to one God. And when they face Kabah, they never think of Kabah at all. The Holy Prophet advised that they must concentrate on God throughout their prayer, so much so that they should think that they are watching God. Kabah completely disappears from their mental eye. And if they can't do that, they should at least realize that while they are saying their prayers, God is watching them. So Kabah, doing the act of prayer, is neither here nor there. So it is not idolatry.